Driving the 2025 Bajaj Qute 9-seater feels like stepping into a new category of transportation, one that's neither a traditional car nor a rickshaw, but something in between. It's a vehicle that challenges conventional design norms, offering maximum seating in minimum space. The engine, though small in displacement at 216 cc, is tuned to prioritize torque delivery at low speeds, which is ideal when the vehicle is carrying a full load of passengers. The sequential manual gearbox is easy to get used to and requires minimal effort to operate. Acceleration is modest, but the Qute isn't designed for speed. It's all about steady, reliable mobility in busy city streets or rural roads where sharp turns and narrow passages are common. The lightweight construction helps keep the engine responsive and improves overall efficiency, while the rear engine, rear-wheel drive layout maintains decent balance even when fully loaded. Handling in the Qute is light and predictable. Due to its compact size and low weight, it's agile in tight spaces and handles sharp corners with ease. The suspension, though basic, is well tuned for absorbing the small undulations and bumps typical in city driving. It does get bouncy when the vehicle is empty or driving on uneven terrain, but the ride settles when carrying passengers. The small tires do a reasonable job, but given their size, they're more suited to paved or semi-paved roads rather than rough off-road tracks. Braking is managed through drum brakes at all four wheels, offering enough stopping power for the speeds this vehicle is intended for. The simple mechanical setup means fewer electronics to go wrong, and repairs can be done quickly and affordably. The interior is sparse but functional. Everything inside is designed with utility in mind. From the straightforward instrument cluster showing basic readouts like speed and fuel, to the no-frills dashboard made from hard plastics, every component is built to last and endure harsh daily use. Ventilation is provided via large windows and a basic fan system, and the openable side panels allow for additional airflow. The central driver position gives a commanding view of the road and allows for more symmetrical passenger distribution. The middle row jump seats and rear benches are designed to maximize space without compromising too much on comfort. Each seat has a designated seat belt, complying with basic safety regulations. Though legroom can be tight with all 9 seats occupied, especially for adults, it remains manageable for short trips. From a maintenance perspective, the Qute is a dream for budget-conscious owners. The engine is simple, air-cooled, and uses tried and tested DTSI technology developed by Bajaj over decades. Parts are cheap and readily available even in small towns. Regular servicing costs are minimal, and the fuel economy dramatically lowers the total cost of ownership. The addition of CNG and LPG variants further pushes this advantage, offering cleaner emissions and even more savings on fuel costs. These versions are particularly popular in cities where environmental regulations are strict, and green mobility is encouraged. Fleet owners benefit the most from these alternate fuel models, as they provide long-term operational savings with very little compromise on range or performance. Despite its utilitarian focus, the 2025 Bajaj Qute 9-seater doesn't feel unsafe or makeshift. The vehicle meets quadricycle safety norms and incorporates a protective steel frame around the cabin. While it won't match up to the safety levels of full-fledged cars, it's significantly more secure than 2- or 3-wheeled transport options. The fully enclosed cabin offers protection from the elements, while the robust structure helps absorb minor impacts. The safety belt system, combined with the modest top speed, ensures that passengers are not exposed to high-speed crash risks. The low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution also contribute to stable handling, even when navigating sharp curves or carrying heavy passenger loads. The aesthetics of the Qute are quirky, with a compact, almost toy-like appearance that masks its true capability. Its square proportions, upright windshield, and rounded edges make it visually unique. The styling might not be sleek or premium, but it's instantly recognizable. It's designed to be friendly and approachable, qualities that matter when serving public transport roles. Colors are often bright and cheerful, helping it stand out in traffic and adding a sense of vibrancy to its purpose-driven design. The body panels are lightweight and easy to replace if damaged, which is ideal for a vehicle that's likely to see heavy-duty daily use in chaotic traffic environments. In terms of functionality, the Qute shines where traditional cars falter. Its narrow profile allows it to move through gaps that larger vehicles can't even consider. It can enter tight alleys, squeeze through congested roads, and park in spaces no sedan or SUV would dare approach. This level of maneuverability gives drivers a major edge, especially in urban settings where time and space are at a premium. It also reduces driver fatigue, since less effort is required to perform everyday tasks like parking, turning, and overtaking. For delivery services, school transport providers, and small-scale shuttle operators, the Qute becomes more than just a vehicle, it becomes a reliable business partner. For rural areas and remote towns, the 2025 Bajaj Qute 9-seater is a game-changer. Public transport options in these areas are often limited, and owning a large minivan can be cost-prohibitive. The Qute bridges this gap by offering a practical transport solution that is accessible to small business owners and local drivers. It enables them to offer shared rides or operate as informal taxis, boosting local economies and improving mobility for people who otherwise might not have convenient transport options. Its small size also means it can be easily stored or even parked inside large garages, making it less vulnerable to weather damage or theft. Looking at the broader picture, the Qute represents an evolving mindset in urban and rural transport. It's not about luxury or status, it's about solving real-world problems with smart engineering. Bajaj has managed to pack a surprising amount of value into this small frame. It shows that with clever design, it's possible to challenge the traditional categories of cars, bikes, and vans, and carve out an entirely new lane in personal and commercial transport. The 2025 model continues to refine this vision, offering improved usability, wider fuel options, and stronger build quality, all while keeping the vehicle affordable and efficient. The 2025 Bajaj Qute 9-seater is more than a curiosity, it's a purpose-built solution for real transport needs in the 21st century. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. Instead, it embraces its identity and thrives in the space between private and public transport, between affordability and practicality. Whether you're a city dweller trying to beat traffic or a rural entrepreneur needing a people mover on a budget, this vehicle offers something surprisingly effective. It may not win design awards or offer cutting-edge technology, but in the real world where functionality reigns, the Qute earns its place on the road.